Welcome back to another dev blog short video this week. Where am I looking? Here we go. The biggest new thing is the addition of numbers to the sign shop. So we now have the full alphabet and numbers 0 through 9. So you can, I don't know, do floor numbers or something in a skyscraper if you want. Then this isn't really a code change. This is just a server itself thing. We have some new global teleports that are on the initial screen you see here. So when a new player joins and they don't realize that they can click the global network button to get a whole bunch of items, and they just know that there's these options here they can teleport to. Now there is a handful of new places. So you have Big Tree, Cabin in the Snow, Maze 2.0, Treehouse. Let's just go to the Treehouse, I think is the one. Yes, this will pull us up onto the little porch here. This was created on the live stream. We've got the food preparation station here. We have, if we venture upstairs, we have a bedroom with some beds so you can sleep. If we go all the way up, we have a map making table here. I'm not sure if we actually have any of the other stations in this one. It might just be the food station, and then this is the actual way out to ground level. So if you wanted to start building someplace around here, you could. You do have to travel a short distance before the area opens up to be available to build in. Yeah, so there's a handful of these. These aren't, I haven't gotten them all added yet. There's 5 or 6 more I need to pull over. I'm just throwing them at random spots on the map. But they're just places for new players to go to. It gives them some of the stations. What happened to this poor tree here? Oh wait, that won't even work. I'll have to use the lumberjack and that'll cut the whole tree down. Don't want to do that. There we go, that's fixed. I also went ahead and changed all this grass back to grass. Looks like somebody got a little crazy with bone meal out here, which that's perfectly fine. Ooh, another little change. The police station now just has the letters police instead of the shapes put on there, which is kind of neato. What else? Oh, the new Biome Sounds. So let me... There's not really a great way to demo this. I guess the closest option I have is... I have to try to get to a spot where there's... Ooh, okay. I know one. So we have Cabin in the Snow. There we go. So we are in a ice glacier or something. I have no idea what I just typed. I had my fingers on the wrong keys on my keyboard. There is a... Ooh... I must have taken that out of creative inventory. Great. Give me 1 second here to find out what the item string is. Sounds test. Okay. That makes sense. Give me sounds test. We got this handy dandy little cube here. And if I punch that, and if I pull up OBS... There we go. There, because I'm not wearing, a headset, so I can't hear anything. But we should have some kind of a, I forget exactly what sound plays in the snow here. But some kind of a snowy sound. And yeah, like this little starter base here doesn't have a bed, but it does have all the stations. So if you're looking to get started someplace in the snow with the walrus and the penguins, there's a little place you can jump out to. You got your stations, so you can craft everything you need before setting up your own actual base. Let's see, where else? I think this was near something. I'm probably just going to end up going to all these new. I don't know. Let me see if this is... Okay, I'm in an ice sheet. Okay, deciduous forest. Yeah, there we are. So we have some forest sounds that play in the background. I don't know if I got one added in for the coniferous forests yet. I think I did, but I'm not positive. There's... Well, it gave me a printout saying I'm in the coniferous, so I think that meant there was a sound. So yeah, there's a handful of different biomes that'll play sounds. The ocean has one. And they are not triggered by punching this block. This block you can't get unless you have give, which only I do. But there are a handful of different events, and I won't say what the events are, on the server that will call out this function. I don't think the coniferous forest ocean plays ocean sounds. I did not know that was a biome. There's a handful of things that can happen on the server that will call a function. I don't remember what it was called, sounds random player or something. Basically, it gets a list of all the players on the server, randomly selects one of those players, checks which biome that player is in. If that biome has a sound effect associated with it, it plays that sound to that player with, what's the word? Without a location. So pretty much as you walk around, you don't get pan and fade in anything. They're all 30-second clips with 4 seconds of fade in, fade out. I might have to change that. That might be too long. Because the goal would be... Let me pick this up so I don't have this littering the countryside. The goal is that, you know, the sound plays to somebody, and you wouldn't want the sound to keep playing while they were walking into another biome. If they teleport, I don't know what happens. I think the sound keeps playing. That might be something to consider in the future, but I'm not too worried about it right at the very moment. It's still kind of in early stages. It needs a lot more sounds added. Needs some tweaking of the balance, the volume levels on the sounds. Some of them are probably a little loud, some are probably a little quiet. So that needs some work. Was there anything else? No, that's it. That is it for the changes this time around. Like I said, it's a pretty short video. I haven't been doing a lot of code work. I've been doing other things. So that's going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. If you want to join the server, information is all on the webpage. Links down below in the video description. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for another update video, and I will see you then.